How to hide the following list on your REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily make your followings list private on the REDnote app. This is a great way to keep your activity private if that's what you prefer. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the REDnote app on your account and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are on your page, just tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile settings. And now you'll have to look for a gear icon to open up your settings. So it's on the right side of your screen, just tap on it. Once you land on your settings page, you'll have to tap on the privacy option where you can control who sees your activity on the app. So just tap on privacy settings. And now all you need to do is scroll down a bit until you find followers or followings list. Just tap on it. And if you want to hide your followings list, just tap on the first toggle like this. Now all of your followings list will be hidden from your profile. If I go back to my profile, yet my followers will not be able to see what my following list is. And if you want to undo the change, head over to settings again, tap on privacy, do the same thing, and on the followers following list, unhide your following list like this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.